Hello guys, Asif here. Today we are reviewing Exile Profits. So let's start the review. So Exile Profits based upon for uploading images on secret websites, and after that you will get paid as here is written $33 every time he uploads an image to a secret website, and the more he uploads the more he makes. So guys, as per the codes, as per the lines, it's looking very nice, easy. Let's know more about this. So what are the solutions they are providing? Let's see. No content needed, 100% free, no tech skills, no waiting for results, extremely beginner friendly. The more Max uploads, the more he makes. Once he uploaded these images, pay him over and over again. That simple, no experience required, no further investments, takes just minutes, and 30 days money back guarantee. And a free gift, first 175 buyers also get Max Underground training that makes him an extra $5,327 per month, and its worth is $997. It's 100% free if you buy right now, and you also come under 175 buyers, first 175 buyers. So the price is $12.47 if you buy right now. They are also providing guys bonuses, but let me tell you one more thing, that as per the information they are providing, it's not easy sometimes, because we have a habit of laziness. So guys, first of all I want to say that if you have a habit of reading, then definitely you will success in your life in any field. And the main problems while achieving success are the lack of productivity. If you don't have a goal, if you waste your a lot of time on social media and any other platform. So guys, as per this problem, I was also facing these problems, because I have same criteria, I have same habits of wasting my time and searching new methods of earn money online. But now I am just earning money because I have just applied some of the good habits. As if you buy these Exile Profits from my link given in the description box, I will provide you some special bonuses that will definitely help you to achieve the success in your life, whether Exile Profits work or not. The bonuses are how to achieve more is in less time. This is also a course, video course. It's pre-recorded and you can just watch. The second course bonus that I will provide you is why people fail in affiliate marketing. It's also a course. And the third code that I am providing is how to increase productivity. It's also a big challenge in everyone's life. And the fourth very important bonus is how to manage your time wisely and effectively. These all bonuses will definitely help you achieve your goal. And it will definitely help you to in your family life. So guys, to grab all these bonuses, you just need to purchase from my link Exile Profits and share the payment proof on my Instagram. Over there I will share the bonuses, those I have promised, and you will also get the bonuses those Exile Profits owner is providing. You can see these are the bonus. Number one is direct access to the Exile Profits Master. Bonus number two is free training on how we made $62,000 in 27 days. And bonus number three is free high ticket training worth $1,997. And bonus number four is unfair advantage in business and live custom training. Its value is $997. And bonus number five is instant approval to promote Exile Profits worth $97. So guys, it's also come under 30 days money back guarantee. Let's know more about this. This is your chance to make money simply uploading images. Easy paid is, it is zero experience needed, and it has some proofs. So guys, this is the total value that you are getting with this. 5 bonuses, those I have read, and just one is training, Exile Profit training, and the second is Exile Profits copy paste images. Real world value is $997. The total value for Exile Profits is $8,579. So guys, if you want to buy Exile Profits, you can check the link in description box, and also don't forget to grab my bonuses on my Instagram. You will also get the Instagram link on description box. And thanks for watching my video. Comment below if you have any suggestion for me, and give a thumbs up. Also subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video. We'll meet you in another review video. Bye bye.